Hi guys, welcome to the class. So, up to now we have discussed addition of two numbers, addition of two integers, subtraction of two integers, and multiplication of two integers. Multiplication of two integers. In this class, we are going to discuss about division of two integers. Division of two integers. As we know, division is multiplicative inverse of multiplication. Just if you observe, 2 into 3 is 6. Here, division is inverse of multiplication. It means we take 3 to right side. Then it becomes 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. Or we can write 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. If you observe, 2 into 3 is 6. If we divide 6 with 3, the answer is 2. Just inverse to the multiplication. Now, let's take, here we have to discuss division of two integers. Let's take one negative number. 6 divided by minus 3. See, 6 divided by minus 3 means the answer is minus 2. How we are getting minus 2? Let's multiply with minus 3 into minus 2. See, minus minus into minus plus 3 into 2 is 6. The answer is 6. See, here if you observe, if we divide 1 positive integer with 1 negative integer, then the quotient is see, one positive integer and one negative integer. The result is in negative. So the quotient is negative. Okay. Now, if we divide two numbers which are negative, for suppose let's take minus 6 divided by minus 3. Here, minus minus get cancelled and 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. Here if you observe, if we divide two negative integers, then the quotient is positive. So we can conclude that if we divide both negative integers, then the quotient is positive. If we divide with two positive integers, then the result is also positive. See, if here you observe where 6 divided minus 3, here 6 is positive, 3 is positive. The answer is 2 is also positive. So, here both negative or positive. Then the quotient is positive. Now, let's move to the properties of integers. Properties of integers. First, let's discuss the properties of integers under addition. See, let's take two integers, 2 and 3. See, if we add these two integers, the answer is 6. Now let's take minus 1 plus minus 2. See, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Here 2 is an integer 3 is an integer and 6 is also an integer. Here minus 1 is an integer, minus 2 is also integer. Here the answer minus 3 is also integer. So the addition of two integers are closed. Okay, see, this is called closure property. If we add two integers, then the result is also an integer. So the sum of two integers are closed under addition. Now let's see about commutative property. Commutative property. See, let's take two integers same as 2 plus 3 is equals to 6. And if we take 3 plus 2, the answer is 6. Here 2, 3. Here 3, 2. The answer is 6. See, the two integers are same, but the order of addition is changed. So we are getting the same result. Then we can conclude that A plus B is equals to C, then B plus A is equal to C. Two integers are same. The order of addition is changed, but the answer is same. So this is called commutative property. Now let's see associative property. Suppose let's take three integers 2, 3 and 4. See, if we add these three integers 2 plus 3, first we add first two numbers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. In the same way, we take same three integers and we add these. First, let's add second two numbers. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. See, here, first we added first two numbers. In second, we added second two numbers. But the answer is same. So, here, the order of addition of two numbers is changed. By this we can conclude that A plus B plus C is equals to D, then A plus B plus C is equals to D. Here three integers are same, but the order of addition is changed. The answer we are getting is same. Here 9, here 9. So this is called associative property under addition. First, closure property. See, two integers 1 and we will multiply these two integers 3. 1 into minus 3. See here, 1 is an integer, 3 is an integer, and here answer 3 is also an integer. Here 1 is an integer, minus 3 is also an integer. Here the answer we got minus 3. This is also is an integer. So by this we can conclude that the product of two integers is always a integer. The product of two integers is also a integer. Now by this we can conclude that the product of two integers are closed under multiplication. This is called closure property. Now let's see commutative property. property. See here, let's take 3 or 2 integers, 1 and 3. See, 1 into 3 is 3. Now let's change the order of multiplication. Here 3 into 1 is equals to 3. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. See here, 2 integers are same, but the order of multiplication is changed. But the result we are getting is also same. By this we can conclude that A into B is equals to C, then B into A is also a C. This is called commutative property. The result is always same if 2 integers are same in both applications and the order of multiplication is changed. Now let's see associative property. Associative property. Let's take 1, 2, 3. 3 integers. We have to multiply these 3 integers. Here also let's take 1 into 2 into 3. See, first we will multiply 1 into 2 in this and here 2 into 3. See, 1 into 2 is 2. Here 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Here 1. 2 into 3 is 6. Here 2 into 3 is 6. Here 1 into 6 is 6. Here if you observe, the 3 integers are same in both problems. And the order of multiplication is changed. Here first we multiplied 1 and 2. Here we multiplied 2 and 3. Then we multiplied with the remaining integer. But the answer we got is same. Here 6. Here is also 6. So we can conclude that A into B into C is equals to D. Then A into B into C is equals to D. Integers are same, but the order of multiplication is changed. For here we are multiplying A and B, here B and C. Then we are multiplying with C, then we are multiplying with A. But the answer is same, D, D. This is called associative property. Distributive property. Let's take 5 into 4. See, 5 4s are 20. See, let's take, we have 4 columns with 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. We can write this pattern as 5 into 4. Now, let's cut into here. Let's draw it separately. See, let's consider this as 1 and this as 2. Here, total is equals to 1 plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2. Here, what is 1? Here, how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns, 2 rows. So, 1 here, first pattern is written as 2 into 4. And second pattern is written as 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 4 columns. So, 3 into 4. So, 5 into 4 is equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. See, total we have divided into first part and second part. Total is equals to 1 plus 2. Here first part is written as 2 into 4, second part is written as 3 into 4. 5 into 4 is equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. See, here how we can write 5? We know 5 is equals to 2 plus 3. Let's substitute here. 2 plus 3 into 4 is equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. See here, 2 into 3 is 5. 5 into 4 is 20. Here 2 into 4 is 8. 3 4s are 12. The answer is here also 20. See, here if you observe 2 plus 3 into 4. Here 2 into 4 plus 3 into 4. Here 4 is distributed to 2 and 4 is distributed to 3. What we have written? 4 is distributed to 2. So we written as 2 into 4 plus 4 is distributed to 3. So we written it as 4 into 3 here. So this is called distributive property. Hence we can say A plus B into C is equals to A into C plus B into C. Here C is distributed to A, C is distributed to P. This is called distributive property of multiplication. Under which application? Addition. Okay. Now you have known what is closure property, what is commutative property, what is associative property, what is distributive property of multiplication and addition also. Now let's discuss identities. Identities. Identity of addition and multiplication. See, here additive identity means we have to add something to a number which results to the same number. If we take 3 plus dash is equal to, the result should be same. If we take minus 3, dash is equals to, the results to be same, minus 3. What should we add to this number to get the 0? So 0 is the additive identity. We can conclude that A plus 0 is equals to A, or 0 plus A is equals to A. Here A is a integer, whether it is positive, negative or 0. Here A is a integer. Now let's move identity of multiplication. Here additive identity means we have to add something to a number to result the same number. Here we have to multiply a number which results to the same. See, 3 into dash is equals to 3, minus 3 into dash is equals to minus 3. Okay, minus 1 into dash is equals to minus 1. Here we have to multiply with some number which is equal to the given number. See, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Here we can observe that 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. A into 1 is equals to A, or 1 into A is equals to A. Here A is a integer. Okay, now let's multiply with 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Here by this we can conclude as A into 0 is equals to 0, or 0 into A is equals to 0. Here A is a integer. If we multiply 0 with another number, the result is always 0. We have discussed what are identities also. Now let's move to the exercise. Now let's move to the exercise 5. First problem, verify the following. Here he gave two statements and we have to verify whether the statement is true or not. First one, 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Now let's move to the exercise 5. First problem, verify the following. Here he gave two statements and we have to check whether the statement is true or not. First, let's go to the first one. 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is equals to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. First, let's calculate the operation which is in the brackets. First, we have to calculate this. See, 18 into 7 plus minus 3 means plus minus means we have to subtract 3 from 7. So, the answer is 4. Okay, 18 into 4 is equals to 18 into 7. See, 18 into 7. 7 is a 56, 7 1 is a 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 126. 126 plus, now 18 into minus 3. See, 18 into 3. 3 is a 24, 3 1 is a 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, the answer is 54. Here, negative minus 3 means plus into minus is minus. So, the answer is negative. So, minus 54. Okay. Now, here 18 into 4. 18 into 4. See, 4 is a 32. 4 1 is a 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. The answer is 72 in the right side. Now, 126 minus 54. 126 minus 54. See, 6 minus 4 is 2. Here 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow 10. The value becomes 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here the answer is 72. See, on the left side the answer is 72, on the right side the answer is 72. So, the statement is true. You can note it down. Now, let's move to the second one. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 6 is equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. First, we have to calculate the operation which is in the bracket. See, minus 21 into minus 4 minus 6. Here both integers are negative. So, we have to add these two integers. 6 plus 4 is 10 and the sign is negative. So, minus 10 is equals to here 21 into 4. See, 21 into 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 84. Minus into minus plus. Plus 84 plus 21 into minus 6. See, minus 21 into minus 6. Minus minus get cancelled. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Here the answer is 126. Now, minus 21 into minus 10. Here minus minus get cancelled and 21 into 10 is 210. And here we have to add 126 and 84. 126 and 84. See, 6 plus 4 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 210. Here on the left side the answer is 210. On the right side the answer is 210. Both are same. So, the statement is true. Now, moving to the second problem. First one, for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equals to? See, here a is a integer and he asked for minus 1 into a is equals to how much? We already know 1 into a or a into 1 is a. Multiplication with 1 is results to the same number as 1 is a multiplicative identity. Now here is multiplying with minus 1. See, minus 1, minus 1. See, minus into plus, plus into minus results to minus. So the answer is minus a. So minus 1 into a is equals to minus a. First one is done. And now second one. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is 5. See, minus 1 into dash is equals to 5. Here we have to multiply with some number which results to the 5. See, as we know, 1 into 5 is 5. Here he gave minus 1. So minus into plus is minus. But here the 5 is positive. Means minus 1 into 5 is equals to 5. Here it should be positive. So minus into minus. Here if both integers are negative, then the result will be in positive. So minus 1 into minus 5 is 5. So here the answer is minus 5, as minus 1 into minus 5 is equals to 5. Let's move to the last problem of exercise 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Here he gave some problems and we have to find the product using suitable properties. What are the properties we have learned? Commutative property, associative property, distributive property, and so on. These properties we have to use in these products and we have to find the value. See, first one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. See, if you observe, minus 48 is distributed to 26 and 36. So using distributive property, we can write minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36. See, 48 is distributed to 26 and written as 26 into minus 48. Minus 48 is distributed to minus 36. Minus 48 into minus 36. See, now first find the value of this. 36 minus 26. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 10. But this grade 26 and 36, the greater one is 36. And the sign for 36 is negative. So the answer will be also negative. Now minus 48 into minus 10. See, minus minus get cancelled. As we know, minus into minus is plus. So get cancelled. 48 into 10 is 480. So the answer to the first one is 480. And this is the solution. You can note it out for the first one. Now let's calculate the second one. See, second one, 8 into 53 into minus 125. See, here he gave 3 integers. And irrespective of the order, the result will be same if you multiply these 3 integers. With this is called associative property. So using associative property, we swap these 2 integers with their places. See, associative property, using associative property, we can write it as 8 into minus 125 into 53. First, let's calculate these two. 125 into 8. See, 8 5 is a 40. 8 2 is a 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 8 1 is a 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So the answer is 1000. 1000 into 53. Here, if you observe, one number is negative. So plus into minus is minus. So the answer will be negative, and here also negative. So 53 into 1000 is 53,000 and sign is negative. Minus into plus is minus. So the answer is minus 53,000. See, now let's do the third one. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. See, let's swap these two using associative property. Associative property. Okay. Irrespective of the multiplication, the value will be same. We swap these two numbers and write it as 15 into minus 10 into minus 25 into minus 4. See, first we multiply these two and next we multiply these two. See, 15 into minus 10 is minus 150 into 25 into 4 is 100. Minus into minus is plus 100. See, 150 into 100. We have to add 2 zeros to 150. So, the value becomes 15,000. And minus into plus is minus. So, the answer is minus 15,000. Now, fourth one. Minus 41 into 102. 102. See, here we can write 102 as 100 plus 2. See, minus 41 into 100 plus 2. See, here we can distribute 41 to 100 and 2. See, using distributive property. Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. 41 into 100, 4100 and the sign is negative, plus 41 into 2, 41 into 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. The answer is 82, minus 82. Now we have to add these two, minus 4182. The answer is minus 4182. Now let's try without using properties. 102 into, we multiply directly. 1 2s are 2, 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 4 2s are 8, 4 0s are 0, 4 1s are 4. See, 2 8 1 4. Here the answer is 4182. Here the answer is 4182. Here minus into plus is minus. See, the answer is same. Using properties or without using properties, the answer is same. But by using properties, we made this calculation easily. Now, fifth one. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. See, here one negative integer plus one positive integer results to a negative. So here sign, if we take minus a into b is equals to c, then a into minus b is minus c, then a into minus b is also minus c. Two integers are same, but the sign is changed. Also the result is same. So here we change the sign to the next number. See, 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into minus 65. As we know, the result is same irrespective of the sign. Now, if you observe, 625 is distributed to 35 and 65. So, 625 into minus 35 plus minus 65. See, now first calculate this. 65 minus minus we have to add, so 35, 10, 10, 100. So 625 into minus 100. So minus minus, so the negative will, the sign will be also negative, minus 100. Now 625 into 100 means we have to add 2 zeros to 625. 625, so 62,500. Plus into minus is minus. So the answer is minus 62,500. Sixth one, 7 into 50 minus 2. See, using distributive property, here 7 is distributed to 50 and 2. 7 into 50, the sign is negative. So minus 7 into 2. Okay, the sign is negative, so minus. First 7 into 5, 7 5 is 35. So the answer is 350 minus 7 2 is 14. So 14. We have to subtract 350, 14, 10, 6, 3, 3, 336. The answer is 336. So 336. Now seventh one, minus 17 into minus 29. See, here 29 is written as minus 30 plus 1. See, minus 30 plus 1 is minus 29. So minus 17 into minus 30 plus 1. Okay. Now 17 is distributed to 30 and 1 using distributive property. Using distributive property. Okay, see here minus 17 into minus 30, minus 17 into minus 30 plus, here plus minus 17 into 1. See, first calculate this. 17 into 30, 0, 0, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 5, 51, so 5, 10. Here both are negative, minus minus, so plus 5, 10 plus 17 into 1 is 17 but negative, minus 17. Minus 17 into 1 is minus 17. So 5, 10 minus 17. 10. Here 3, here 0, here 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 4, 493. So the answer is 493. Now let's move to the last one, 8th one, minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. See, as we know, a into 1 is equals to a, as 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 51 into 1 is 57 into 1 is 57. See, the value is same. We are multiplying it with 1 to make the calculation easy. See, here 57, 57 minus minus. See, here minus. If we add minus to both, see, minus a into minus 1 is a. Minus minus get cancelled and the answer is same as a. So if we multiply minus 57 with minus 1, the value will be 57, which is same. So here we have added minus to 57 and minus 1. See, after adding, we'll get the statement as minus 57 into minus 19 plus minus 57 into minus 1. Okay. See, if you observe, 57 is minus 57 is distributed to 19 and 1. See, minus 57 into minus 1, minus 57 into minus 19. So, using distributive property, okay, using distributive property, minus 57 into minus 19 plus minus 1. See, minus 19 plus minus 1 is minus 19 minus 1. We have to add, but with the negative sign. So, the answer is minus 20 minus 57. See, 57 into 20. 57 into 20. Minus get cancelled. So, 0, 0. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10, 11. 1, 1, 4, 0. So, the answer is 1, 1, 4, 0. Here the answer is 1, 1, 4, 0. By this, we have completed our exercise 5.